For anyone trying to cut down on meat and add more healthy protein to their diet, chickpeas are the terrific answer. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are part of the legume family. They have been grown in Middle Eastern countries for thousands of years, but recently, they have become more popular around worldwide. As a rich source of vitamins, minerals and fiber, chickpeas may offer several health benefits, including improved digestion, reduce the risk of several chronic diseases, and aiding weight loss. It can be also an excellent replacement for meat in vegetarian and vegan diets, as it is high in protein. In today's video, we will share benefits of chickpeas for weight loss, and how to eat it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. How chickpeas help you to lose weight. Benefits of chickpeas can do wonders for people who are trying to lose weight. The protein and fiber in chickpeas keeps your appetite under control. Protein and fiber work synergistically to slow digestion, which helps promote fullness. In addition, protein increases the level of appetite-reducing hormones in the body, and lowers your calorie intake throughout the day and at meals. Also, the fiber in chickpeas is mostly soluble. It blends with water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, that helps increasing the number of healthy bacteria in your gut, and prevents the overgrowth of unhealthy bacteria. How to consume chickpeas. Chickpeas are one of the most versatile of legumes. The nutty taste and grainy texture of chickpeas make a superb combination, and goes well with the numerous other foods and ingredients. You can sprinkle them in salads, stir them into soups and stews, roast them for a crunchy snack, and so on. A healthy salad recipe for weight loss. Ingredients: 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 chopped cucumber, half chopped red onion, 1 cup halved cherry tomatoes, 1 can Progresso chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Process: squeeze the juice of lemons into a serving bowl. Add olive oil, garlic, cucumber, red onion, cherry tomatoes, chickpeas, and stir to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle parsley on top to garnish. Refrigerate for 1 hour prior to serving.